Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cleaning, Decluttering, and Organizing. Today we are going to be working on master bedroom deep clean. We are going to be emptying drawers, sorting things, organizing, putting it back in, and cleaning out everything. So here are some of the piles that I had made from cleaning out my master closet. If you have missed that video, I will link it at the end and down in the description box. But now we are moving on to the bedroom, and all the furniture needs to be cleaned out and sorted. I'm also going to be cleaning behind the furniture, so I'm going to start with the dressers and going through all the clothes, taking them out, reorganizing, wiping down all the drawers, and then putting everything back in. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time and are looking for some cleaning and organizing motivation as well as decorate with me, well, you stopped at the right channel. I do tons of that, tons of motivation and decor inspirations. So I would love it if you consider pressing that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of the uploads. So now that's done, I'm going to wipe this down, but before I do that, I just wanted to give you a little tour. So this is my underwear, bras, and thick socks. Then I have t-shirts and long sleeve shirts. And then here are my yoga pants, track pants, and tights. I do live in that drawer quite a bit. And here I have tight capris, shorts, and then workout socks. And then pajamas, I've got tank tops and shorts, t-shirts, and capris. And then long sleeve shirts and long pajama pants. So that's that. So now I'm gonna wipe this down and I'm gonna move on to that dresser.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain. Who will pick you up when you've lost everything?
So this cabinet's done. I mean dresser, not cabinet. So let me show you. This is my husband's underwear and socks. These are my workout clothes, and I have 2 sets of bras still that need to go in there. And then this is my beach wear. Hopefully I'll go to the beach this summer somewhere. And then my husband's jeans and some brand new t-shirts that he hasn't even opened yet, his shorts, and then his beachwear and activewear. He does have to dress up for work, so the track pants are pretty much here just to walk the dogs when it's like -40 outside. And now I'm going to move on to the 2 nightstands. So that basket just needs to be put away into the closet, and then I'm going to just turn my camera around to here, and this is my makeup desk, and I had arranged it about 2 months and a half ago, 2 months ago. So I'm just going to wipe a little bit down. It doesn't need too much cleaning, but I'm going to wipe a little bit down and just organize everything a little bit better. There's a couple things that like this part is a little bit messy, so I'm just going to make sure that everything kind of fits nicer in here. I had picked up a couple new things, so I'm just going to put these in here. I'm also going to be taking the curtains off and washing them, just refreshing them so they smell nice and clean. And now I'm gonna move on to moving furniture away from the doors and vacuuming up the carpet behind it, as well as all the baseboards.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, 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 call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, 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 follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way.
So the room is done. I just have an extra blanket there because I've been covering myself when we're sleeping because it's been a little bit extra cold. And that one is okay for midday naps, but I find at night it gets a little cold. And then I have my curtains from downstairs here that I haven't hung up. Speaking of curtains, they're in the wash. You can probably hear the washing machine running, and it's just feels so good to have this accomplished. It's done. I probably won't be moving furniture till fall again, so that's nicely it's done. There were some dog hair behind and dust, more so on I felt on this side and this side than on that side, but don't know the rhyme and reason. But it's clean. It's like a breath of fresh air. So I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you stay tuned for next video because we will be working on the master ensuite, and trust me, that needs some deep cleaning. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Don't you worry about a thing. Don't you? Oh, 'cause as long